Namaste, Namaskar, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Muhammad Zishan, and you are watching Intro English Academy. Just we have come out of the class with our trainees because if you see for speaking English, what is the most important thing? That is confidence. That is confidence. If you have only 30% knowledge and you have only 30% 20% knowledge, and if you have 70 or 80% confidence, definitely you can speak well. But if you have 80% knowledge but only you have 20% confident, you will do so many mistakes. Because so you have to become shameless in your speaking. Shameless, beshram ban jao in front of anybody. Like the confidence I have, I want to see inside you as well, because this is the first class outdoor training. I told the purpose why we have come here. For learning English we can also study inside the class. Why cannot we can learn? But we have to come out of the class and we have to speak with people. So that is why we have organized we have not far away. This is just you can see that is backside our coaching, and here let's see we have some trainees with us, and they will be we have one beautiful topic, that is knowledge versus degree, and what are the points they are having. Let's see. And we have Mr. Huzaifa, and we have Mr. Farhan, and we have Mr. Taj. First of all, I would like to share this mic. The person who won and who is supporting, that is knowledge. So Mr. Huzaifa, tell me about your points, because you are supporting knowledge. The knowledge is very important. What are the points you are having?
First of all, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say thanks Muhammad Zishan and having me wonderful opportunity and today's debate on the topic knowledge versus degree. I suppose knowledge. In my opinion, knowledge is the best. If you have knowledge, you can do anything and everywhere. But if you have not knowledge and you have degree, but degree is very used notes. If you have knowledge, so you can a big powerful person and a successful person. And second point, if like a Salman Khan have no degree, but he is a very powerful person and he is a very successful person, and that is why degree has not important, because knowledge, if you have knowledge, you can do anything everywhere.
Virat Kohli, and he is completed
Yes.
12th class.
And
Salman Khan completed only 10th class. And there are so many celebrities, they have, even they don't have degree as well.
Yes.
Manoj Pandey. So what a great thing now.
Yes.
And any other point you want to share?
And third point,
Yes.
in India, 1,20,000 persons has MBBS degree, but he has not knowledge. That's why degree is not useful in my opinion. If you have knowledge, you can do.
You mean that a person who has knowledge, he can do anything?
Yes.
No matter you have degree or not.
Yes.
You understand whatever the points are, and he is having, and he told you. So let us know your question, and what are the questions you are having.
My question is, so you have no degree, so you want to apply for any job, so how will you do?
But if you have degree, you apply job, so you are in like a interview. But if you have not knowledge, you have not confidence, so how can you give you interview?
Like you want to become a doctor,
Be active, yeah, man. I speak loudly in mic.
so like you want to become a doctor, and you have only no degree, only you have only knowledge. No one understand you are doctor.